Creating a Snake game web application with Bolt.New is an exhilarating experience that merges creativity with the advantages of AI-enhanced development. Bolt.New is a platform tailored to streamline the creation of full-stack web applications by utilizing sophisticated language models. Although it cannot generate the entire Snake game from a single prompt at this moment, it excels in offering a detailed, step-by-step methodology that ensures each component of the game is carefully developed. This iterative approach enables developers to concentrate on essential aspects of the game, such as the snake's movement, collision detection, and game state management. The development journey starts with configuring the project environment in Bolt.New. You initiate the process by establishing the essential files for the Snake game, which include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Bolt.New aids you by producing the initial code framework and providing insightful suggestions to navigate through the setup. This encompasses defining the primary layout of the game board, preparing the canvas for rendering the snake, and laying down the initial game logic. With the assistance of Bolt.New, you can ensure that your code is structured effectively and adheres to best practices. As you advance, Bolt.New continues to offer real-time support, guiding you in implementing the game's fundamental mechanics. This includes coding the snake's movement, detecting collisions with the game board edges, and managing the snake's growth as it consumes food. The AI capabilities of Bolt.New are particularly beneficial during this stage, supplying pertinent code snippets and debugging advice to guarantee your game operates seamlessly. Although the process involves multiple prompts, the platform's intuitive interface simplifies code iteration and allows for immediate feedback. A significant benefit of utilizing Bolt.New is its community-oriented approach. Developers can showcase their projects, request feedback, and collaborate with others to enhance their games. This collaborative atmosphere promotes learning and innovation, enabling you to leverage the collective knowledge of the community.